Okay, so on we go. This time we're going to do the ignition. It's from the Granada. It's quite an old model Granada. So here we go. A bit of light on. Same tool again. That's the offset skeleton double diamond. So this time we have to push down on the plug whilst applying torque. So we just basic raking should suffice. Just slightly adjusting the amounts of tension that are going on. There she goes. So we'll try it one more time. Push down. Just moving the pick up and down. You know, things to consider. It's all very well and easy to be, you know, lock picking, you know, in a vice, in a room, nice angle, you know, sat down. But a lot of the time, you're going to have various obstacles, and you're just not going to. It's not going to be as easy as this, you know. I mean, you're going to have the steering column, the steering wheel. You're going to be in an uncomfortable position. Fascias, you know, a lot of the BMWs now have the plastic sort of rim going around the cylinder itself. You know, so maybe you'd have to go for an auto circular, you know, torque wrench to get in there. Just thoughts, you know. You know, with these plugs, it's hard to, you know, because you're having to push down with quite considerable force, getting that force mixed up, the downward pressure, getting it mixed up with the torque, you find yourself putting way too much torque on the plug because, you know, you're pushing down. I mean, I guess it's a security feature. Maybe, you know, maybe not. I'm not sure. But you know, you just have to be very mindful about how much tension you're putting on. It would be ideal to be to be putting tension on like this, you know, but you can't because of the downward pressure that you have to put on. So, you know, you're having to always push down and then being mindful of the amount of torque. So this time it's going to fight me all the way. Just check my time. Change weapons. Pass the gate, which is not easy. Testament to the durability of these clon picks. There's a hell of a gate in here, you know. There it goes, with a sore thumb. And there you have it, a Granada ignition barrel.